So I'll be showing you how to fix a problem you might have with your Dell laptop where the webcam does not seem to be working. Now, you can see the light that shows the webcam is turned on, but on the webcam application, you can see nothing. Now, that could be because of the privacy screen that comes built into these newer Dell laptops. So for instance, you can see this particular Dell laptop has this privacy screen mechanism here. And what you need to do to get your webcam to show is to just open that privacy screen. Simple as that. Just slide it to the left. It's your privacy screen. It comes built into most modern Dell laptops. So you can open it up and that's going to show up to basically turn on, or basically you can now see what your webcam is seeing. Okay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.